Hi, I am Prabhakaran, working as a nurse manager in one of the leading healthcare group in Abu Dhabi. Recently, I have transitioned myself to quality department. Few of my friends suggested to take CPHQ exam. Some of my seniors and friends they strongly recommended me to join in Risi. Initially, I have joined to gain some primary knowledge about quality and quality concepts, but Risi exceeded my expectation. Risi is one of the best institute to take a CPHQ and a CPPS exam, especially Dr. Tenarasu. He's a trainer, he's a teacher, he's a mentor, and the way of training is amazing. The methodology of his teaching is simply superb and it's very clear, as he used to say that one simplify and standardize. Even a beginner can have a very good understanding about the quality concepts. And the way how he's engaging with the students, there is no chance to get distracted. And the way of the presentation and the discussion was always live, and especially about the training materials, it was very well organized, and a lot of practical questions and practical situations and a practical experience they were discussing. It increased our confidence level while doing the exam, and I strongly recommend everyone who wants to have a deeper understanding about the quality concepts and they want to do CPHQ. I strongly recommend Risi is the place you have to join. Now I have passed my CPHQ exam and I can stand in front of anyone to have a discussion about quality concepts. In case of any quality improvement projects, I am so confident, and it's completely I have gained because of Risi and Dr. Tenarasu. I wish everyone, whoever joining in this Risi, for your success. I wish you once again all the great success to Risi and Dr. Tenarasu. Thank you so much.